That's called a pop out. So a pop out is basically staying in the smallest form, like a ball. Bring your waist on top of your toes. Same thing as the beginning. So everything of power move, um, top rock, or footwork has a base, and this is the base of your footwork. So the pop out. Pop out is not very difficult. It's more timing. So one hand, I'll use my right hand first. Right hand goes behind. It's a little bit closer to my ankle and my heel. So from the side, it looks like this. Hand is out. Once I'm out, I'm pumping my legs to the left side, away from where the right side is. So I'm pumping that way. Extend, bring it back. Switch side, opposite, pop, away, bring it back. Switch, pop, pop. So, pop, pop. Opposite side, pop, pop. And if you want to go faster, you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a pop out.